Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Thursday, November 30th, 2017. Alright people, let's start off with this. As I am doing this video blog, new record highs across the board. All the major indices are higher. Are you surprised about that? No, I'm sure you're not surprised about that. That's all I've been telling you for weeks now. Even longer than that. Since the election of Donald Trump, I've been telling you that this market was going to hit record high after record high. It wasn't going to stop. That's where we are now. It's just, this is it. This is where we are. I want to cover a bunch of things with regard to that. So, number one thing. The bond market. What is the bond market doing right now? Well, if you're watching this on my website, traderstruth.net, like I am right now, you can see it's not doing anything. The bond market is stable. So, again, they've managed to put a little confidence into this market. That's what this is. It's a confidence game. And they will not allow the bond market to sell off. It won't do that. Dropped yesterday. They tried to buy it up. Remember, I covered all of this at my post-market wrap-up. They managed to stabilize the bond market, and stocks are once again off to the races. You know, let me talk about that just real quick. I've been explaining to all of you for weeks now how you should be trading an index if you're looking to get involved in it, because it's just too freaking easy. The powers that be right now, well, they're kind of, I would have to say they're almost a slave to you and me right now, because they're going to push this market up and we're going to ride this. Think about it this way. Just about 2 weeks ago, I told all of you how you should be buying an index. I said I was riding ticker SPY. I'm still holding that position right now. I bought in the money calls expiring in January at that time. I am so deep into the money right now, it's insane. So if you had followed suit with me on any single index right now today, you would have more than doubled your cash. It's frankly that stupid. This is what's going on. It's not going to stop until it does. And they're so determined right now to keep that bond market stable, so stocks will continue to ride higher. We got this new Fed chair coming in who's Janet Yellen squared. Market loves this guy, wants this guy. It's drooling all over the place. That's what's going on. The market is not real. We know this. This is our strength. We know for a fact, like I've been telling you, it's gonna go higher. So you ride the wave. It could not be easier for you. Even if you've never traded stock in the history of your entire life, let's just say you would have bought in the money calls like I did on any major index even 2 days ago, you would have made a humongous profit. I'm trying so hard, people, to make this easy for you so you can understand this. I outlined Bitcoin for you. If you would have taken advantage of Bitcoin, when I said everyone buy it at 2,800, you would have made hundreds of percent like I did on your cash. Let me talk about Bitcoin real quick here. Bitcoin was over 11.3 yesterday, the day before, whatever it even was, I can't remember anymore. Right now it's around 9,000, so that's a significant drop, a significant pullback. Now, I explained to you all of these gyrations that are going on here with Bitcoin. It was yesterday, it was all over the place. If you remember, I sold my last bit of Bitcoin at around 9,500. It's a little lower than that right now, but that's significant, going from 11.3 to where we are now. I am considering at this point getting back into Bitcoin. I'm watching it. I want to see what happens here. And I already explained to you, when I buy Bitcoin again, I'm going to let all of you know. So you could probably get in on at the best possible price or damn close to it. That drop we had was pretty much exactly what I was looking for. I wanted to see some type of a pullback. We had a surge higher over my 10 grand target. We dropped down, we went back up, we dropped down. Now we're like 9,000 and change. So I'm going to watch this for a little bit here. You know, one more thing for all of you that really I think you're Bitcoin experts and are telling me, Greg, Bitcoin is not like a stock. It's not going to pull back or anything. Well, look what it did, people. So please, if you're one of those out here that thinks you know more about the market than I do, and I'm sure some of you do, but just don't write to me about these things, because frankly, it looks stupid. Because all of you who were saying this, look how wrong you were. Okay, I know exactly what I am doing. I know exactly how to trade this. Period. So you trade your way. I appreciate your advice, but don't tell me I'm wrong here, because obviously I'm not wrong. Look, I'm just trying to help all of you people out here to the best of my ability. I want to level this playing field. I'm like the Robin Hood of Wall Street. I really am. Forget about the Wolf of Wall Street. I'm like the Robin Hood of Wall Street, because I want to help all of you understand these markets, and I want to help every single one of you rip its freaking face off. And just think about it. If you had been listening to my advice here over the past, well, since Donald Trump got elected, you would be multiples richer than you were back then. Okay? I am. And I've been outlining all of this for you since that time. Anyway, this market, let's talk about the market again just real quick. It's going higher. I'm not saying it's not going to pull back tomorrow or the next day, but the trend is up. We have new records across the board. You're not surprised about that. I've been telling you it's going to happen. The bond market is stable. They're going to make sure it's stable. Stocks are going higher here. This new Fed head chair or whatever, higher stock market. There's nothing in its way. It's not real. We're trading what they're handing us. This is a gift. They're giving us a gift. You understand? To say, here, markets are going up. Take advantage of it. That's what they're saying to us. Now let's talk about more rigging. Gold and silver. Gold is down today. Silver's down again today. It was down big yesterday. I hate talking about this stuff. You all know that because it's fake. Okay. The dollar is down as well. Let that wiggle around your brain a little bit. Gold and silver are priced in dollars, right? So dollar down, metals down too. Makes no sense unless, of course, it's being rigged, which we know it is. Look, I still feel like we need to become our own central bank, bet against the debt. World central banks are going to continue to inflate. I don't care what the Fed is talking about with regard to their balance sheet. To normalize the Federal Reserve's balance sheet where it is right now, you and I will be dead. That's how long it will take beyond our lifetime for them. So they can't do this. They cannot ever do this. So it's just not going to happen. They're going to keep printing. They're going to do what they need to do to the bond market. The place to be right now is in stocks for the short term, longer term, precious metals, Bitcoin for somewhere in between. You and I, okay, are going to take advantage of every single freaking thing that they want to throw at us. That's it. I'm going to be, believe me, that's what I'm doing. Every single opportunity that I see that comes along, I'm taking advantage of it. And then I'm explaining to all of you how you can do it too. Because I am the Robin Hood of freaking Wall Street. That's who I am. Anyway, what else do I need to cover today here? Stable bond market, gold and silver down, dollar down, unbelievable. Rigging of the markets, Dow 24,000 plus, not going to stop here. All right, I think that's it. We're going to put all this together at my summation post-market, and it's going to be interesting, and I'm going to try to stay calm. I'm going to try to stay calm there. That's it. I'll see you later. Over now.